Omunye ke umdlali oshiyayo kumkhokha uzodwa kanye nomazungu ongumama kanokubonga. As for Mabusi guys, asihlayile ethembeni akukho khombisa ukuthi ke she's leaving, although umkhokha keep on attacking her. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 11th to the 15th of March 2024 on Monday. Odifa goes to the river to offer himself, but nothing happens. Instead, Sfoxia tells him that there is nothing he can do, but luckily there is an army fighting on the other side on Tuesday. Uzodwa's world crumbles as she unearths the soul-threatening truth about her entire existence. Tension continues in the Gumede house on Wednesday. Uzodwa turns to a Sangoma for help to understand what Mzobe is trying to say to her. Council discusses a new wife for Umkhululi. Difa fast and pray for his family's safety on Thursday. Mkhululi's possible wife is introduced. Zodwa come close to discovering who stole Izikhwama. Nomkhosi tried to address the elephant in the room on Friday. Zodwa goes on a quest to find the missing Izikhwama. Will she find them and reclaim her destiny? Ndlovu is on a mission to get his daughter to win Umkhululi over. Well guys, bafuna ke umfazi ozogana ke Umkhululi njengoba ke uMabusi njengoba uMabusi esakhulisa ke umntwana, so ke akakwazi ukuthi ke ahlangane noMkhululi kumele kuze kuphele ke u3 months. So now we are encouraging him ukuthi athathe ke omunye unkosikazi esingazi ke noma ke kuzokwenzeka ngoba uMkhululi uthanda uMabusi akafune umuntu omunye wesifazane. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.